I just did a video on 6 essential apps you should have on your Galaxy S20. This video I'm going to talk about some non-essential apps, but these are apps that are good to have for your phone. So the first application in the list is UltraPix, and if you want to make your Galaxy S20 look good and leverage that punch hole, this is a must-have application. It's got really cool wallpapers and you can see all of these samples right here. And they're all set and they're very accurate, so all you have to do is apply and it'll fit perfectly. It's also got a bunch of really cool live wallpapers that you could also apply to your home screen or to your lock screen and they look really good. It's got a really cool collection and they keep adding new wallpapers every now and then, so it's a good wallpaper app to keep for your Galaxy S20. And while we're on the subject of wallpaper apps, the next one I want to talk about is Crispr. It's very different from UltraPix because it's real pictures, it's actually photos that have been shot by photographers from all over the world, and it's fetching everything from unsplash.com. Now I know a lot of applications do that already, but this app has a great collection and B, a great user interface. You can download the wallpaper, but the good part is you can download RAW or JPEG, and there are a bunch of editing functionalities built right into the application. And before we move on to the third app, it'll be great if you could just hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. It'll really help me grow. Alright, so the next app in the list is for those guys who miss having a notification LED. See, notification LEDs stay as long as you don't dismiss the notification. The edge lighting on the Galaxy Note or the S20 just stays for a while and then goes away. But notification LEDs don't, and that's what this application does. So let's say that you get a notification from Instagram. Not only will the notch behave like a LED notification, but even your always on display gets replaced with an always on display notification, which I think is really cool. And obviously the app gives you all customizations possible, in terms of the speed and the kind of effect you want as your LED notification. You can also set for how long the notification should stay for. And that's the whole difference between regular edge lighting and this application. The next app is called Tile Shortcuts. Let's say you're in Gallery and you want to quickly access Instagram or Chrome. You can do so just by using your standard notification panel by placing shortcuts over there. And it's really simple, it's really convenient, it's really fast. That's exactly what you just need. Now, there are a lot of applications that do that. But why I like Tile Shortcuts is because of the flexibility and just customizations that it offers. First of all, you can set the tile to do anything you want, whether to open an app, or to open a shortcut, or to open a website URL, or even a folder. There are some advanced settings but I wouldn't get into that just yet, assuming that you just want to keep it simple right now. But yeah, you can just hit one tile and you can call someone, or you could hit one tile and you can get directions to your work or to your home. You can share location instantly with a friend, and you can also assign it an icon that you think is easy to identify and recognize, and you can also apply an icon pack. But because this app is so good, it's also limited in how much it offers for free. You can only get 3 tiles that are customizable, but if you want more, just for $2 you get up to 30 tiles, which I think that's enough for pretty much everything you want to do. The next app is actually a game, and the only reason I recommend it is because it looks so good on the Galaxy S20 display. It's got amazing graphics, it's got this really neat and clean minimal gradient effect, and it's a pretty simple game in theory because all you have to do is make sure that the white cars are passing and they're completing the circuit without bumping into the black cars. But it obviously, like any other game, it gets difficult as you play more. The next app on the list is Snapseed, and it's a photo filter, photo editing application. And the reason I recommend it is also because it can process raw photos that your S20 camera can take. So if you go into Pro mode of your Galaxy S20 camera app, you can take raw pictures. So if you have that setting enabled, it'll take raw pictures and it's got a raw label. If you share and then click Snapseed, Snapseed would automatically detect it's a raw photo, and then it'll give you all the functionalities to edit a raw picture. And then, I can go through a couple of edits, and here's what I can arrive at. Just look at the difference. This was previously, and this is how it is now after editing. So Snapseed in general has a lot of filter tools, a lot of effects, a lot of editing functionalities that can really enhance your pictures. And lastly, the video would be incomplete if I did not mention Good Lock as an app to have. Essentially, Good Lock changes the way your phone looks and works. does not really add a lot of functionality, but it does change a lot of things and the way you use your phone. What you need to do is go ahead and tap on each one of these and install it so that you have access to all of these functionalities. Now, I'm just going to show you 3 because Good Lock can have its own video, but essentially with Lockstar, you're able to customize the way your lock screen looks. You can change the position of the clock, the notifications. You can also apply various clock styles and change their sizes. You can also pick up a wallpaper and then hit auto layout and it'll automatically lay out the clock and the notifications. You can then go to Quick Start and you can change how your notification panel looks. You know, the background color, the tile colors, the active tile colors. You can create your own style if required. And then you can also change the way you access your recent app menu. There are a lot of these animation effects and grid, list, tiles. So go ahead and experiment with Good Lock and see what fits your needs the best. Now there are also a couple of standalone applications like these, but these are different from Good Lock and they have their own. They actually provide more functionality rather than just customization. And that's it guys, those were 7 apps that I think you should have on your Galaxy S20. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.